Howdy, y'all. It's Monday, March the 1st of 2021. What do you cowboys and cowgirls think we're learning in social studies today? We will identify symbols that represent the great state of Texas. Will you say the state we live in with me, please? Texas. Nice. You see it as a capital letter T, because it's the name of our state. How will we study our state today? We will first watch a video to draw and label Texas state symbols. Say that last S word with me, please. Symbols. Excellent. Symbols represent other things. This is a finger symbol. That means peace. Here's another symbol with my hands. That means love. Something that represents another thing. Today we're going to draw and label some symbols, some things you might see that represent our state of Texas. Think about that for a minute. What's a symbol you know of that when you see it you think, oh, Texas, I live in Texas. A cowboy hat could be a symbol of Texas. We will be seeing them in the video, then drawing and labeling them in your journal. Why? We will understand the patriotic symbols of Texas. Look at that yellow P word and repeat it with me, please. Patriotic. Excellent. Patriotic means to be proud of where you live. I'm proud to live in Texas. Are you proud to live in Texas? We're going to show our pride for our state with our symbols today. You will need to get your journal, crayons, pencils ready. But first, let's see a video of some of those symbols. Attentoscope's on. There's some pretty stuff in Texas. Here we go. Texas is called the Lone Star State. On the flag, we have one lone star. He's all alone. That's why we're called the Lone Star State. It helps you remember our flag has one lone star. What else do you see on this flag? What colors? Red, white, and blue. Exactly. I got red. I got white. I got blue. That can kind of be confusing because our United States flag is also red, white, and blue. It has a lot of skinny stripes. How many stripes do you see on this flag? One big blue, one big red, one big white, and one lone star. We'll be showing this flag in our journal today. Do you have a blue and a red crayon? Our state song is called Texas, Our Texas. Have you heard that song before? Yes or no? I'll play it for you today. There's the music notes of the song Texas, Our Texas. You should ask Miss Homerstead. She can sing it beautifully. Our state sport is the rodeo. Show me your roping a cow. Yeehaw! Have you ever been to the rodeo? Yes or no? Oh, this is one of my favorites. Our state flower is the blue bonnet. Say that B word with me, please. Blue bonnet. Have you ever seen those beautiful blue bonnets? Yes or no? They're so pretty. They come out in the spring. On the side of the highway, you'll see just a field of blue flowers. The monarch butterflies love to rest on them. Our state bird is the mockingbird. Say that M word with me. Mockingbird. Have you ever heard of a mockingbird? I'll show you a video of them because they like to mock people, sounds, and other things. Here's a picture of how they look. You're going to need these colors in your journal today. What colors do you see here? Get them out of your crayon box. Our small state mammal is the armadillo. Have you ever seen an armadillo before? Ooh. Our large state mammal is the Texas longhorn. Have you seen a longhorn before? Hook 'em horns! Best school ever! Our state reptile is the horned lizard. Have you ever seen a lizard with horns? Ouch. Watch out for those guys. Our state tree is the pecan tree. Have you seen a pecan tree? I know you have. We have them outside BTW on our playground. Those nuts that fall on the ground and you're always cracking them and opening them for pecans. That's our state tree. We have them everywhere in Texas. Here's how they look, remember? There's the pecans. Do you like pecans? Yes or no? Our state food is a bowl of chili. Do you like to eat chili? I do. With Fritos. Our state pepper, the jalapeno. Do you like spicy jalapenos? Our state fruit is the grapefruit. Have you ever eaten a big, juicy Texas ruby red grapefruit before? Mmm, they're sour. State plant. You see these everywhere like those pecan trees. The prickly pear cactus. They're pretty, but don't touch. Have you ever seen one of these cactus before? Our state shell, the seashell, because Texas does have a beach down there by Galveston. It's called the lightning whelk. Have you ever been to the beach? Have you seen seashells? They're pretty. Our state dinosaur. Did you know that Texas has a state dinosaur? Now think, why would we have a state dinosaur? If our state flower is a bluebonnet, and we have a lot of bluebonnets here, if this is our state dinosaur, do we have a lot of these dinosaurs here? Not today in the present, but maybe back in the past. This was a dinosaur we found many bones of here in Texas. Check out that dinosaur. Do you think he's a nice one? The largest river in Texas is the Rio Grande. Grande means big. He's our largest river. 1,254 miles long, curving through the Texas landscape. The Sam Houston statue. We learned about Sam Houston. Remember that big statue of the man? It is in Huntsville, Texas. It is over 66 feet tall. There it is. Remember that man? He's in Texas. Texas is a beautiful state to live in. Are you proud to live in Texas? Yes or no? Are you ready to draw some Texas state symbols with me? Yes or no? Moo. Very good. Get yourself ready with your pencil, your crayons, and your journal. Meet me on video 2, and let's draw some symbols. Yeehaw!